So, and I've got my Mounjaro here, and I'm starting a new pen today. I took the golden dose last week, so I feel like I've won at Mounjaro. So here it is, ready to go. What I'm going to do is, instead of doing the 2.5 today, I'm going to do half, which is 1.25 today and 1.25 on Thursday. This is just something I want to do and want to try. So here we go. Now, here's my little special little container which holds in the fridge, so it looks like a drink bottle. So if someone goes there, they don't ask, I don't have to answer any questions. I can't be bothered answering anybody's questions at the moment. Like, and even later on down the track, I don't really feel like I'll have to answer anybody's questions about what I'm doing with my body. So I'm going to take that off. Then take this off. As you can see, it's a full pen. Screw that on nice and tight. Now, take the lid off and take that off, and now I prime it. So you go 1, 2, hey, there we go. We've got a little bit come out then. So from there, I'm going to do 30 clicks. So here we go. I'm going to mark it so I know where 30 is for next time on Thursday. Okay, so there we have 1.25 dose on the side. So then we get, so that was half a dose. So if we look on the pen here, so I will do the rest on Thursday. And then I'll see how that goes over the next. I'll put that in here. Take that off. Might even give it a little bit of a wipe. Put that back in here. Doesn't seem like it's gone too far, does it? Definitely went in. So I'll pop that back in there. Got my little sharps container here. Gonna put all my needles into. There you have it. I'll do another 1.25 dose on Thursday, and then I'll be able to know if it makes any difference at all over the weekend, and if it does, then I'll do it next week, because next week's Christmas. Because wouldn't it be nice to have that food noise completely silenced over Christmas, and I can just focus on singing karaoke by the pool. All right. Yes. See you Thursday. Hi. Tirzepatide Thursday. This is the split dose week where I've split a 2.5 pen into 2 doses of 1.25 milligrams. So I've got to make this quick because I think I'm going down to meet my aunts and uncle for coffee, because my 104-year-old Nana has died overnight, which is sad, but I think a bit of relief, because she was 104. She didn't know where she was or who she was or what she was doing. So here it is, the Tirzepatide. Happy times. So make sure that's on properly. Yep. Like so. Prime it. Here's a bubble. There it goes. And like I said before, there's no bubbles, but it is one of those things that it's not actually going into the bloodstream. It's going into subcutaneous fat. So 30 clicks. 30. There we go. Right to my little marker. Right. That's it. The place. at the moment because I've just had my daughter's last assembly, and that was emotional. I was also feeling emotional because it was my nana died, but also too, I lost my mum 5 years ago, almost 4.5 years ago, to pancreatic cancer. So that grief has resurfaced itself. So anyway, I'll pop go there, and then that you can see is the first actual dose has been completely taken. It's moved up to there. That's what I've had. So top up, and it's interesting. I'll be interested to see how I feel over the weekend. I didn't really think I felt a lot other than pretty normal for the last week. So I just have to wait and see. Tirzepatide Thursday. Done. See you on Monday. And I'll decide whether I'll take a full 2.5 dose or split it over the Christmas period, which would mean taking 1.25 on Monday and 1.25 on Christmas Day. We'll see. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye, everybody.